Welcome to the Nexar API, providing access to real-time supply chain intelligence, Altium 365's design data, and access to our partner services. In today's world, businesses face increasing environmental concerns and geopolitical instability, making supply chain resilience a top priority. To build a more resilient supply chain, companies have to take a proactive approach that encompasses multiple aspects of resilience. In this video, we'll explore our Supply Chain Resilience, or SCR tool, that leverages our Octopart database along with signal filtering algorithms backed by AI and machine learning to give you insight into component availability, which will help the electronic industry strengthen their supply chain resilience. I'm Chong, and I'm here as your applications engineer, ensuring you get the most out of our tools and solutions. Now let's see how you can use SCR. We'll start with running a GraphQL query in the Nexar API. This query is called dat SCR part infos, and the user provides a list of part IDs, which you can get from the Nexar API supply queries for specific parts. You also include the expected annual usage, or EAU. Next, we specify what information we want to return. For instance, we have historical procurability. This returns a value between 0 and 1. That tells you how often you can buy that number of parts in the past year. If it's a 1, you can buy that many parts daily for the past 365 days. We also give you 5 market availability values. These are weekly averages, with today being the most recent, 7 days being the week before that, and so on and so forth. And then there's monthly availability. This is a list of values for the past 11 months. Running this query in October, for example, shows the average availability for September, August, and so on. Finally, we have 2 predictive metrics of future behavior of the part. First is estimated days of supply. This assumes that stock levels only go down, and means that in 43 days, you won't be able to buy 2,000 parts. It's a conservative estimate, as it doesn't take into account any product restocks. The other one is the probable availability window. This considers restocks, and it takes into account both purchases and new stock. In this example, it returns 60. This is the maximum number of days our model takes into account, meaning that over the next 60 days and more, we foresee no issues buying 2,000 parts a day. This next API query allows you to group interchangeable parts and provide a single EAU value. It enables you to perform the same search, but with parts that can be swapped out. If any one of the parts listed here is available, we'll return the result of the search as available. The result you get represents the fraction of the past year for either one of these 2 parts, but not their combined total. This is handy for streamlining part management. Using SCR, you access real-time supply chain intelligence that boosts your supply chain and integrates seamlessly with Altium 365 and Octopart. This allows for enhanced collaboration across PCB design, MCAD, data management, and the rest of your team, whilst ensuring your data is consistent, accurate, and securely handled. To learn more about how we can help you simplify your supply chain management, drive efficiency, and make smarter business decisions, please visit nexar.com.